Hey everyone, today we're diving into the innovative world of flashlights with the Wuben X3, a compact powerhouse designed to make your daily life brighter and more convenient. I'm excited to share the key features that set this flashlight apart from the rest, but let's unbox it first.
This is not flashlight, this is Wuben ECL. Peel that sticker off, and one more. Off here. Yeah, so this must be like a charging for it, I believe, because I unboxed it. Oh, this is the one, I remember this. I remember this looking it up. This light goes, I think, up like this, and then it goes into here, and then it closes like that. It did come with a couple of things I didn't see. Oh. Comes with this lanyard, and I don't see a USB-C charging cable though. Type-C charging lanyard? What in the... What? So this was the lanyard that apparently goes in like this. I've never seen a lanyard that is a USB-C cable. And it also has a measuring tape on it in just metric. So in the US we have inches. So this might not help everyone, but it'll help some people.
The Wuben X3 isn't just a flashlight, it's a futuristic piece of tech that marries style with functionality. With an impressive 700 lumens, it's ready to illuminate your path in any situation. And that 180-degree rotating head? It's a game changer, allowing you to tailor the light's direction to your specific needs. And guess what, folks? If you opt for the high-end version, you get a fantastic addition, a 3000 mAh charging box. Say goodbye to frequent charging hassles. This smart box replenishes power during rest, ensuring you're always ready to light up the dark. And of course, the digital display remains a handy guide to your flashlight's power status. Now let's talk versatility. This mini flashlight is not just for the tech-savvy, it's for everyone. Compatible with wireless charging docks, it goes beyond the conventional. Tech enthusiasts, this one's for you. And with hands-free convenience, thanks to a strong magnetic tail and a back clip, it's your perfect companion for outdoor activities, emergencies, or just your daily adventures. Switching between modes has never been easier. With 10 multifunction modes, including SOS and strobe, the Wuben X3 adapts to various needs. And the memory function? It remembers your preferred mode, so no more hassle with readjustments every time you turn it on. But what really sets the Wuben X3 apart is its playful owl-shaped design. Waterproof and drop-resistant, it adds a touch of whimsy to your gear. The dual red and white LEDs add versatility, making it not just a flashlight but also a camping companion or a red warning light when needed. The Wuben X3, a compact and innovative flashlight that's changing the game. From its creative charging base to its versatile design, it's a must-have for anyone who wants more than just a flashlight. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review. Until next time, stay illuminated.